Hey guys, it's Steph and welcome back to the Fragrance Direct YouTube channel, where in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look, which as you can probably tell is very festival inspired. So if you'd like to see how I created it, please stay tuned. So as you can see, I've already got my base makeup on just because I thought you guys aren't here for the base makeup. You're probably here for the festival makeup. So first of all, what I'm going to do is add some highlighter. So of course, we're going to have to go holographic or duochrome, whatever you want to call it today. This is the W7 Prism 3D highlighting powder. So let me just show you guys what this looks like. Looks pretty unassuming, and then when you swatch it, it's like this kind of pearly duochrome pinky lilac-y sort of highlights, so we're going to go to town with that today. So I'm just going to take some of that on my usual highlighter brush and load that up onto my cheekbones. This is actually a really pretty highlighter for just like every day, although I know it's maybe not everyone's cup of tea for every day, but I think if you can't get away with wearing like a duochromatic highlighter at a festival, then when can you? Just a little touch just above my brow. So then we're going to move on to eyes, and I really want to create a super blown out, really colourful eye look today. So what I'm going to be using is this palette from L'Oreal. It's the La Palette Glam, and as you can see, we've got a bunch of super bright colours to work with. I'm kind of leaning more towards like the greens and the blues and the purples maybe. Yeah, so I think I'm actually going to take a fluffy brush and go in with that green shade and just pop that kind of half on my lid, half on my crease. I'm going to put a lot of blue actually on my lid, so it doesn't matter if you actually do get the green on your lid as well. I'm then going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to be taking this lighter blue shade here, really load up my brush with that. Kind of like the inner part of my lid and on the center. Wow, that is super pigmented. Oh my god. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it, but nothing too intense. So then using the same brush, I'm going to take this slightly darker blue shade here and pop that on the outer corner. Okay, I love this palette. I'm instantly in love with this palette because these shadows are so pigmented. And I'm going to take the little brush that comes with this palette, and I think what I might do is take this shade here, just using the fluffy brush, and run that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. And then take this matte purple here, fill in the outer corner of my eye. Oh, I love that. Then I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that we used with that green and just lightly go back over my crease just to blend everything in. Okay, I'm actually obsessed with that eye look. Not even for festival. I actually kind of love that. Then just going to take a little sponge applicator and take the lighter champagne shade here and just highlight my inner corner. Oh my god, this palette is amazing. Why have I never heard of this before? So then, I mean, what would a festival makeup look be without some glitter? So the glitter I have here is the Unicorn Poop by Prima Makeup. And this one here, I don't think it says what shade it's in, but it's like this chunky blue glitter here. And what I want to do is take a few little individual chunks of glitter and put them under my eye. So I'm going to get my lash glue, and I'm just going to do a few little dots under my eyes. And I'm going to take my tweezers here and just go ahead and pick up some of the pieces of glitter individually and just pop that there, for example, just like that. I love that. So then I'm going to add some mascara, so I'm just using the Max Factor Voluptuous False Lash Effect. So I'm going to add that to my top and bottom lashes. So then for my lashes today, I'm going to be using the Cookie Lashes from Amelia Olivia, which look like this. Yeah, I think that'll look good. So while I'm waiting for that lash to dry, I'm just going to go ahead, go off camera and do the other eye, and I will check back with you guys in a second. Alright, so both the eyes are done. I'm now just going to go ahead and pop on these lashes. Ooh, these are nice. I'm just going to add a little bit more mascara onto my lower lashes. So next I have these Liquid Suede liquid lipsticks from NYX, which are some of my favourite liquid lipsticks ever. This shade, I believe, is exclusive to this set here, and I was very interested when I saw it. It's called Disruptive. And I mean, with this eye look, I think we pretty much have to go with this colour here. So I'm going to pop that on. Let me see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that is exactly what I wanted. So guys, let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comment section down below, and let me know if you're going to be going to any festivals this year. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.